Well, hey guys, today I'm with Striker the dog. As you can see, he's sniffing this setup that I have here. Today I just want to make a quick video. Now, I've experienced a lot of instant coffee in my life, especially going outdoors a lot and trying to find the right setup, the right brands. This brand, Folgers, these coffee singles are the only ones that I can tolerate. I'm telling you, if you drink coffee and you have like a little camping stove and you want to make some instant coffee outdoors or something, stop whatever you're doing, throw away whatever you have, and start buying these. I'm not sponsored by Folgers or anything. This is just my own personal opinion. I drink a lot of coffee, and this is definitely the pick. I don't know if you've ever tried this before. I usually keep a baggie of these in my car, in my backpacks. You can buy a larger box. This is just the smaller one. This was like $5, I think, or something. Or I think it was even cheaper. Or maybe it was $3.50. I can't remember. I just bought that at the store because I actually ran out. I stash these in any kind of go bag and any sort of thing that I possibly can because they taste so good. I don't know what they do with these, but it's an actual tea bag style, which is nice. You get these, usually the instant coffee is fit in one of these. This is just a French creamer here. I also pair it with this because you don't need sugar usually, even though it says sugar-free. It's pretty sweet. You could just drop that. If you like your coffee pitch black, then you don't need this. But I don't know. I don't know what it is. It's probably the same thing in these, but for some reason, this quality is the best out of anything I've ever tasted. Again, you don't want any caffeine withdrawals out there if you're trying to survive and you're out for a couple days or something happens to you. You don't want that migraine. And if you can find hot water or do that, obviously you can use any sort of setup. I just can't believe this. I don't know. I really have, this has been my go-to for so long. If you guys are trying to find a good instant coffee to put in your go bag or your camping gear bag, this is the one. This tastes so good. I was out shooting last month. And I had one of those little fire pucks that I made. If you want to check that video, how to make those fire starters, the link is in the description. And use that fire puck and it will always boil at least a coffee cup. Kind of a crazy quick little video here, but I'm telling you, this is the go-to. Tell me what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.